What if I told you you can stop using servo motor controller to control the brushless motor and start using Arduino with some code and a web page like this? Let me hold it correctly. So before we jump into how I made this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and for more future videos, explanatory videos like this one. So the tools I'm using here. So this one now we are not using it. We'll put it aside. I'm using adapter, 12-volt adapter, like this one. It comes with the male plugin. I buy separately a female plugin so I can connect it easily with some jumper cables like this ones, so I can connect it easily. Let me put it back. And we're using ESP brushless motor controller. Brushless motor controller come with 2 ports in, 3 ports out, goes to the brushless motor, with also 3 ports out goes for the controller. Either it's Arduino or either it's a CCBM servo controller. So next we come to the Arduino. Arduino comes with a cable, USB cable, so you can connect it to the app. You can later use, this is Arduino Uno. You can choose it from the list. This is a different explanation about Arduino. So let's stay on the brushless motor. After that we use the brushless motor. Brushless motor, I took it out from a CD-ROM. You can take it from a CD-ROM. Also there is a floppy disk. It has brushless motor, and hard drive. It has a very nice brushless motor also. Some comes built in the plate itself, and some it's mounted. Brushless motors comes with 4 ports. You will use only 3 ports from it. 1 port mainly will be the last one from either side. You will not use it, you will use only 3 ports. So we come to the connections. Here you connect the 12-volt batteries coming from battery or adapter. Make sure to connect it correctly, positive to positive, negative to negative. Here you will connect the 3 ports to the brushless motor. For the Arduino, you connect the brown one to the ground. The red one you connect it to 5 volts, and the orange one you connect it to port 9, because we are using port 9 in our code. You can see here. So the code, of course, I got it from ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me, I make many trials with it. It gives me the code for the Arduino app and another code for the web page. You just take a copy of the web page code and save it in a text folder as index HTML, and later on when you click it, double click it, it will open a page like this one. And after opening it, you need to connect it with the Arduino Uno. Pair it. You have to pair it with the Arduino. I will share the code with you. You will paste it all in the Arduino app, and this code you will paste it in a text file and save it in index.html. Open it in Google Chrome like this one. After that you can run the motor like this. So this is all for now. If you have any question, let me know, or an explanation on a part if I forgot to explain it. I will be here waiting for comments. Don't forget to support me. Thanks.